Good morning, dear. Now, today we'll discuss a chain market. So, before starting today's topic, dear, I want to revise what are the topic we have discussed earlier. Yesterday, we have discussed about the market, and market is the such mediator which connect the producer and consumer. Producer who produce the goods, consumer who consume the particular product. So it is the link, it is the mediator which provide the link between the supply and demand, or we can say producer and consumer or customer. Now later on we will discuss world market has changed today. Most of using the internet banking or maybe the different app to purchase the different product. There are many such shops available in the market or maybe on the net which are providing their goods through the home delivery system. And here, now we have discussed about the weekly market, and weekly market is a market which held a specific day of the week. A particular day of week, maybe in any area, a market may be held on a Monday, so in another one area, it will be held on Tuesday, another one, it will be held another one time. That's why this is known as the weekly market, because it held a specific day of week. What are the another one features of weekly market? At the one place, most of product are available here. Most of things what we need, which are required in our daily life, these are the available at the one place in weekly market. We can purchase a table item, rasna item, clothes, whatever different product from the weekly market. And different goods are available in the weekly market. Different variety of goods are available. Some shops are permanent और some may be in the form of occur. कुछ शॉप्स ऐसी होती है वीकली मार्केट में जो परमानेंट होती है डियर्स, विच कंस्ट्रक्ट एज द परमानेंट, एंड सम आर द इन द ओकर फॉर्म. जैसे कि ओकर्स आते हैं आपके इन गलीज मोलार, लाइक ए वेजिटेबल वेंडर ऑन रिक्शाज और लाइक दिस. तो दिस आर द ओकर्स फॉर्म. तो सम शॉप्स आर द परमानेंट एंड सम आर इन द occur form. And these are the features of weekly market. And some weekly market are providing the product at credit. Credit मतलब उधार, or when later on you maybe deposit your amount. So some are provided, not all. It depend on your relation. It depend on your what type of relation you have with the producer or supplier or shopkeeper. So these are the features of weekly market. Another topic we will discuss here, that is the shops which are located in your neighborhood. So some shops are located in your neighborhood where you purchase the dairy, means the milk, dairy product, where you purchase the pen, pencil, your register. So such shops are available in your surrounding, in your neighbors, and you may be purchased, or such product are available at the credit also. Or this such type of shop, when we need, we can visit anytime. Such shops are open a full week, and whatever we need in our daily life, we can purchase from that area. Daily needs only. Okay. And another one we have discussed, that was the shopping malls and complex. So what are the shopping malls? So in big cities you have seen multi-story buildings like and full AC showrooms where all the products are available at the one place. These are known as the malls. And like in Udaipur, Celebration Mall is the one example. In this entertainment goods and eatable items, electronic, electric, all the products are available at the one place. These are known as the malls, shopping malls, which are fully AC and with the decorated. Through this, public may be attracted on that side, ताकि public attract करे, visit करे, and they may be purchased. So you know what is the difference between the malls and shop? So when we feel urgency, we visit always shop, or when we feel for a suppose for a entertainment or whatever it may be we can purchase or not, so we visit the shopping malls or like shopping mall visit करना ये नहीं होता कि we purchase the any product. Sometime we may be purchase or not. चलो it depend on the nature. So these are the different we have discussed yesterday. Today we are going to discuss about chain market. Chain market. What is the chain market? So in this topic today we will discuss about chain market. Okay dear. Now we are going to discuss about the chain market. Chain market means the how do the chain form inside the market, and every one person profit include in this chain. So chain start from the producer to the till consumer, final consumer. अब who is the final consumer here? Who consume the product? Suppose I am using the mobile, so I am a final consumer for a producer. And who produce the product? That is the factory. Okay. After factory, product means the product will be gone to the wholesaler. Wholesaler will purchase. After product will be gone to the traders. Traders also known as the retailer. Retailer भी बोलते हैं उनको ट्रेडर. एंड ट्रेडर से हो जाएगा कंज्यूमर जो उसको कंज्यूम करेगा. तो यू नो दोज पर्सन हु आर बिटवीन producer and final consumer, those people who are between the producer and final consumer, such people are known as the chain market. Such people form a chain market which are between the from producer to till consumer. यानी जहाँ से प्रोडक्ट स्टार्ट हुआ है. प्रोडक्ट स्टार्ट फ्रॉम द फैक्ट्री एंड आफ्टर फैक्ट्री इट मे बी सप्लाई बाय द होलसेलर. होलसेलर विल सप्लाई द सिटी रिटेलर. पूरी सिटी में जो डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करता है सिटी रिटेलर और ट्रेडर. और ट्रेडर में भी सप्लाई सम टाइम टू द स्मॉल ट्रेडर. जो स्मॉल ट्रेडर होते हैं वो सप्लाई लाइक हूँ मे बी शॉप इन अ वीकली मार्केट और इन योर नेबरहुड वॉट एवर. उनको रिटेलर बोलते हैं जो लूज आइटम सेल करते हैं मार्केट में. एंड फाइनली सेल टू द कंज्यूमर. तो दिस चेन इज फॉर्म इनसाइड द मार्केट दैट इज नोन एज द chain market. This is known as the chain market. Take the example. Suppose shirt is the produced by the factory, textile industry. After shirt, it may be supplied to the purchase by the wholesaler. Wholesaler एक large quantity में इसको purchase करता है. Large quantity purchased by the wholesaler, and wholesaler supply this to the city distributor और मे बी द ट्रेडर्स. उनको ये सप्लाई करता है अकॉर्डिंग देयर रिक्वायरमेंट. एंड आफ्टर इट सप्लाई टू द पर्टिकुलर शॉप ओनर और लेटर ऑन इट सप्लाई टू द फाइनल कंज्यूमर. तो हाउ टू द शर्ट कम इन द मार्केट, हाउ टू द शर्ट कम इनटू द टिल कंज्यूमर और कस्टमर. दिस इज नोन एज द chain market. और you know in a chain market number of people will be involved. जितने ज़्यादा लोग रहेंगे उनका प्रॉफिट ही उतना ज़्यादा होगा. Earlier, for example, shirt is produced from the factory, cost is 300 rupees. Okay. Wholesaler profit will be include 330 rupees हो गया यहाँ पे cost है. Okay, 330 rupees. Later on the city trader cost include इसके हो गए 370 रुपीज. 40 रुपीज प्रॉफिट इनका हो गया. लेटर ऑन शॉप ओनर 30 रुपीज 480. तो फाइनली कस्टमर के पास वो शर्ट आएगी 400 में. इट मीन्स नंबर ऑफ पीपल जितने ज्यादा होंगे इन चेन मार्केट उतनी कॉस्टली कोई प्रोडक्ट हो जाएगा. ओके. Suppose when you purchase, take another one example. Take another one example. What is the chain market here? I am repeating. If people who are between the producer and final consumer, those people who are between the producer and final consumer, final मतलब who consume the product, final consumer. Okay, such people are known as the such people who form the chain. That is known as the chain market. जो सब लोग मिलके chain market बनाते हैं. Suppose farmer is producer who sell their tomato to the wholesaler. Wholesalers sell their tomato to the city distributor जैसे निमाइडा है, रासमी है, कपासन है, बेगू है, like this different distributors. City distributor supply the tomato to the trader of चित्तौड़ for example. जैसे फॉर एग्जाम्पल होलसेलर ने परचेस किया फ्रॉम फार्मर्स, लेटर ऑन होलसेलर सप्लाई द टोमेटो टू द सिटी डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर अलग अलग सिटी में. जैसे सिटी है चित्तौड़गढ़ में दे दिया तो चित्तौड़गढ़ में टोमेटो आ गया. चित्तौड़गढ़ सेलर विल सप्लाई टू द रासमी, कपासन, बेगू डिफरेंट ट्रेडर एंड डिफरेंट ट्रेडर सप्लाई टू द टोमेटो इन द डिफरेंट मार्केट लाइक Chandera market, Sethi market, or in Pratapnagar market, like a different market, or later on it will be available at the shop or maybe in market. So that is final consumer, जो consume करेगा produce को. So this is the chain which is formed. That is known as the chain market. इसको क्या बोलते हैं बेटा? Chain market. This is known as the chain market. Okay? So we have discussed one topic, that is chain market. Our next topic is the market everywhere. So okay dear, today market everywhere are is next topic. Okay dear, our next topic is markets everywhere. So in this topic we will discuss that we can purchase the product from weekly market. Suppose like a rice, tomato, vegetable, anything are required, we can purchase from the weekly market. And in weekly market, most of items are non-branded, some branded item may be available, and we can purchase. So market is everywhere, weekly market also. Another market everywhere, that is the market located in our neighborhood. Like if we want to purchase milk or dahi or like a different dairy product, like a coffee, pen, pencil, like different item. So such type of market also located in our neighborhood. Another market, some shops are permanently in the specific market, like a cloth market, like a electronic market in our city. These are the shops are located. So this type of markets are located everywhere. Another one type of market, that is the like a shopping malls which are located in big cities. Shopping malls are located in big cities. Such markets are also available, and these are the multi-story building, AC, air conditioner building, and different branded item are available in this malls, and most of product are available at the one place. So this is the third variety of market. But there are the different kinds of market. Weekly market, markets in neighborhood, shopping malls. These are the different variety of markets which are located here. And today many times we visit the such cities to purchase any product from to any branded item or whatever. So sometimes this happened here. Okay, without going market we can purchase any product. So today market style has changed. So without going a market, we can purchase any product from a home by using of different app, shopping apps we can use. By using of the internet, we can purchase the product. We can fill up the details inside the app, like a different app you know very well about, like a Amazon, Flipkart. We can choose the product whatever cost is given, and in this product cost also a specific delivery charges also showing, and what will be cost of the product, when it will be delivered, what your address you may fill up. So that is the way, you know very well, you are using the such type of app, and through this we can purchase the product without going to the market, without visiting the market. So today, you know, market meaning has changed. To purchase any product, it is not compulsory to visit the market. Today we can take the services at our home also. There are many such centers are running which are supply their product at the home delivery as a style they have supplied. So today market meaning is changed. Without going market, we can purchase any product from home. So this is the market. To we can say today market is everywhere. It is located everywhere. You know, there are the earlier time we use the different style of market, like earlier time traditional time we use the weekly market. Later on, when we feel shop should be located at surrounding, so you know shops are located at our surrounding, that is known as the neighborhood shop. Okay. When we feel you know vegetable or another one, so you know workers also supply the vegetable in front of our gate. Later on we feel why not a product should be available at the one place. So in big cities, shopping malls is constructed. When we feel it should be fully AC, there will be entertainment also, there will be a specific game zone for a children, so all the facilities are available at the one place. So this through market form is changed. So early time there were the different market form, later on different market form, and today market totally changed. Or today we can purchase any product by without moving, without visiting any market. So today here market meaning has changed, and market is everywhere, or market may be in your pocket with your mobile. You can purchase any product with the help of mobile. So today we can say market is available everywhere. So tomorrow we will continue with the market topics, and later on we will discuss if everyone is getting the equality or not in market here. Okay. So have a good day here. Tomorrow we will continue with this topic. Thanks.